Model: 60-plate Hyundai i800 2.5 CRDi Style minibus needs turbo. Body: silver, minibus. Mileage: 108,364. MOT: the 22nd of February 2025. Engine: 2497 cc D4 CB. Transmission: 5-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs perfect. Turbo needs replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. This is a straightforward simple turbo replacement job. Engine, clutch and gearbox are perfect. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear seating area is very clean. Features: 2 keys, air con, electric windows, parking sensors. EU status: Euro 4. HPI: clear. Cap retail: £6,695. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011999